So excited to start the tournament of Football Formation Asset Allocation. So we're going to start. You have a map. The aim of the game is to retire early, to become financially independent and retire early. So Nathan, what's your UN goal? What are you going to pick?
Hunger.
No hunger, zero hunger. I'm going to pick quality education. So you play the 3 laws of money, so pay yourself first, diversify, then rebalance. So let's start the timer. So you've got 45 minutes to retire early. All right, the clock's on. 3 laws of money accumulation: pay yourself first, diversify, or rebalance. And then each turn you either pick between shoot, tackle, or pass. So, and every time you need to pay yourself first. So paying yourself first is picking 5 assets. So the aim of the game is to retire early, become financially independent and retire early. And you do that by getting 5 asset classes. So an asset puts money into your pocket, a liability takes money out of your pocket. So you need to get 3 of a kind to have 1 asset. So, and each asset class is worth different points. So let's maybe quickly go through each point system in turn. So you've got the goalkeeper 1 point, you've got cash 2 points, bonds 3 points, chickens 4 points, or dividends I should say 4 points, property 5 points, pension pig 6 points, tracker robot 7 points, commodity ship 8 points, 9 is the enterprising or active horse, then you've got the dragon which is 10 points, then you've got the flea which is growing companies, the dragon is growing countries, and finally you've got the side hustle which is the bull which is worth 12 points. So that's the point system there. And then we have, this is the perfect formation. So maybe we have a look at this perfect formation here. And that's your defense, your midfield, and your attack. So first of all, pay yourself first, then diversify, and then rebalance. So paying yourself first, picking 5 assets at each turn. So make sure you have 5 assets in your hand. If you have more than 5 assets, you can't pick any more assets up on that turn. So rule 2 is diversify. So collect 3 asset classes of the same. So if you collect 3 asset classes of the same asset, so for instance that might be 3 dragons. So if you get 3 dragons in a row, you pick those up, that's 1 asset. And if you get 4 dragons of the 4, then that doubles your points. And then you play your asset. And then rebalance, you can shuffle your cards during a turn, you can have 5 assets, then you can collect different unwanted asset classes to get more higher points. So let's start. Youngest player goes first. That's Nathan, that's you, so pick 5 assets. Then you have a choice between pass, tackle, or shoot.
I'll go and take one of yours.
Be kind though. He's gone for the tackle. Okay, so it's my turn. So I'm going to pay myself first. And I have got off to a winning start with 3. I've got growing country. I've got dragon already. Sweet. So you've gone for a tackle, and that's the end of your go. And now it's my go. Back to me. So I'm going to make sure I've got 5 assets. I'm going to shoot. Attack 72.
Attack 88.
Not a good start for me. So okay, so first if you've got 3 of a kind, you can play that.
You'll go.
Nice. You've played property. So I'm going to pay myself first. Defense 94. You've got to keep.
Defense 78.
Defense 94.
34.
Attack 79.
88. Attack 88.
So here's your go. Make sure you pay yourself first of all. If you've got 5 assets or 5 cards, and then you can choose pass, tackle, or shoot. Nathan.
I will tackle.
How many assets have you got now?
I got 1, 2. I got 5.
So yeah, so you can, whenever you want, you can. You're able to stop the game, but it depends. So
I'll stop.
But then you can keep going to get the bigger points, to get more UN goals. To solve
I'll stop.
Yeah. Okay. So count up your points then. Okay, so that's the end of the game. So Nathan's got 5 assets. Congratulations, Nathan. You're now UK champion. But let's count up your points, see how many UN goals you've solved.
Okay.
Money mindset.
I think that sounds alright.